The world is changing at a rapid pace, and one of the most revolutionary technologies of our time is 3D printing. 3D printing is the process of creating physical objects from a digital design by layering material on top of itself until the final product is formed. 3D printing has limitless potential, from creating prosthetic limbs to printing buildings on the moon. With 3D printing, we can produce customized, complex designs at a lower cost and with greater efficiency than traditional manufacturing methods. 3D printing allows us to create parts and prototypes quickly and easily, which has revolutionized the manufacturing industry. 3D printing is transforming the way we design and produce goods, and is being used in a range of industries, from aerospace and automotive to fashion and healthcare. Fashion designer, 3D printing has allowed me to create unique and intricate designs that were previously impossible to produce using traditional methods. 3D printing is also being used in the field of medicine, with the ability to create personalized medical implants and prosthetics. 3D printing has allowed us to create customized implants that fit a patient's unique anatomy, resulting in better outcomes and faster recovery times. The possibilities of 3D printing are endless, and it will continue to shape the way we design, create, and innovate in the future.